It is just 1 week until the nomination vote for the Conservative candidate here in our Burlington riding. November 27th from 6 to 9. Come and vote anytime within those hours at the Burlington Convention Center, 1120 Burloak Drive. I can't help but be reminded of a very important nomination race that happened September 2022 with choosing Pierre Poilievre as our Conservative leader. In the weeks leading up to the leadership nomination vote, I was collecting identified Pierre Poilievre supporters and making sure they made it on time to Ottawa to be counted. Handfuls of Pierre Poilievre supporters had their ballots collected at the 11th hour to make sure that they made it to Ottawa. From Brantford to Hamilton to Burlington to Oakville, I was collecting nomination votes from identified Pierre Poilievre supporters and taking them to the shipper to make sure they got there in time. As people took the stage to announce the final tally of our leadership vote, the room was filled with excitement, some people standing, awaiting the numbers. With 68% of the vote on the first ballot, the mandate was clear. Canadian Conservatives across the country had selected Pierre Poilievre to lead them into the next election. It was a great experience to meet friends, MPs from across the country. Here I am with Shannon Stubbs, excited at the result. Here, Stephanie Cusey and I could hardly contain the excitement. We had a new leader and a new hope. Ontario MP Alex Ruff and I shared our excitement at the new leadership and the hope for a better future for Canada. The morning after the leadership vote, the decisive election of Pierre Poilievre as our Conservative leader, I happened upon him at a coffee shop early in the morning and was able to congratulate him in person. Congratulations, Pierre. Let's bring it home.